These workers are pouring molten metal on a train track. This is thermite welding. It's a brilliant process that seamlessly fuses metal together. Thermite is a mix of aluminum powder and iron oxide, which is basically rust. When ignited, it creates a chemical reaction that burns at over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt steel. Once the tracks are placed together, the workers set up a furnace on top of it and is insulated using clay. They then add the thermite and ignite it. The molten metal flows between the gaps, filling them and creating a solid weld as it cools. They then polish it, creating a smooth joint. This welding technique is used on railroads, pipelines, and even construction sites. Subscribe for more interesting facts.